but SAS is so.
So could you compare the competitor product and SAS? So what's the?
Yeah, actually, one competitor does that things. So this is box, and this is the top. SAS is here, and the rest is like here.
So what makes SAS better than the others? Because module have much rich modules, or just?
Because I have been programming SAS for so long. I'm a SAS believer, and I think SAS is it's like SAS is a very wonderful thing. There are only you think SAS cannot do. There are no SAS can do. As long as your imagination of how you program in SAS will guide you to that. Like even though I have been programming SAS for about 10 years, I'm still learning a lot of new things. Because my consulting experience, so it's every new project I need to there are new challenges in every new project. So it's like I learn wherever I have a problem in SQL or in Oracle, I turn to SAS, and SAS gives you a solution for that.
That's because you say SAS are very complete, but the SAS is good, but I didn't say that. But how did you prove it's better than the others?
The industry do that.
So what's the point? I mean, from functionality point of view, which point, or robustly, or complete point of view, which critical part make better than SPS?
What do you want?
No, I'm just curious. How did you?
No, I mean, I'm asking questions. What do you want to use SAS to do?
But there is a price, right? It's expensive. So why is if something I can use in cheaper, why are you using so expensive stuff? Just
Okay.
curious.
I mean, SAS is there are a lot of banks using SAS. Actually, all the banks using SAS. You think the CEO, the CTO in banks are stupid enough to purchase big monies to buy SAS? It's just like SAS provides you overall programming skills, overall package to do everything you want.
Oh, so all in one stop. That's why that's the
Yes.
value.
Not just
If we don't have a statistic background, can we handle SAS?
You can, for sure. For sure.
so a lot of people have go to SAS. All the banks have turned to SAS Enterprise Guide. It's like Excel. So originally, programming SAS is very difficult. It's only for people familiar with statistics because you need to check all those assumptions when building model. However, for Enterprise Guide, you can just click the menu, think that I want to do this, and if you want to write a SQL query, you can just say, I want to join this table here to this table, and what's the join key? Select, and what's the condition? And it will give you the final output.
What's the job title for that?
No, it's the same title, just the
Also
same.
called data mining.
Yes. So my first job in the bank is called portfolio risk specialist, and it's in CIBC, and we use SAS Enterprise Guide. You can do basic SAS programming. You can write a lot of code, and you can just drop down using the drop-down menu to do these things. It will give you the same results. It's just new way to, because SAS notice that in order to program in SAS, you need to have certain knowledge. However, that's not a long way to go. A long way to go for their expanding their business. They should have more people involved. They may have a from business background, but I want that people to able to program in SAS. In order to do that, just like Visual Basic or like those things, you can just put an icon in it and say I will do the heavy lifting coding writing for you. You just tell me which table you want to join which table, what's your condition. So typical just like this. I want to say I will have table A and table B. I want to join them together. All you need to do is tell SAS to input the data, table name A here, and tell table name B here, and it will join using what's your join key. So just like Excel.
Are there any small and medium businesses using enterprise miner? No?
Because it's 500,000 a year.
Oh, I see. So, like, if I were to do this, I were to do a course in SAS, which would you recommend? Doing base SAS or directly with enterprise miner? To somebody who knows nothing about SAS.
I think he's talking about if because big bank belong to large enterprise. So for the target market targeting, I mean, if looking for a job in, for example, looking for a job in a bank, you need to check the SAS enterprise miner. But if in a small to medium company, if they do using SAS, what's the alternative? Or if they're using the SAS, what's the version of SAS? A standard SAS or something like that? So
You're using SAS base or SAS enterprise guide.
SAS enterprise guide.
There are two versions, which is SAS enterprise miner, that do the data binding, like miner, so data mining, and SAS enterprise guide, which is I would say Excel version of the SAS base SAS. There are two different products that specially designed for business user.
So it's three versions: SAS base, SAS enterprise guide, SAS enterprise miner.
There are like 100 versions of SAS.
Okay.
Different industries, different versions, right?
Yeah, if you go to SAS and if you want to list all industries, you can see like there are like this very long list of industries that you will serve. So SAS have been around for like 50 years, and it has been the #1 best employer in the US for like 3 consecutive years.
So your answer to this question, if SME, small to medium business, would be SAS enterprise guide or enterprise.
So SAS enterprise miner and SAS enterprise guide are two different products.
Yeah.
They target two different things. To do data modeling, very complex modeling, SAS enterprise miner. To do general business analysis. You can also do modeling in SAS enterprise guide, but you need to have certain understanding of how to write in codes, how to using SAS as a programming software.
So from very practical point of view, if we want to universal apply, so which SAS stream should study from? I think that
That's definitely
SAS based.
SAS based because
Okay.
it's more addressed to a broader people.
My question. I have two questions. One is, what kind of textbook do we need for the course? And secondly, does this apply to the SAS mining? If I want to take one of those SAS mining, I take SAS.
So the first questions for the crash risk management, you probably need to buy a small book, but that's optional because most of my slides will cover the topics and the key points from that book.
What was the
I think it's called credit risk management or credit card scoring. Credit card is a very long name. It's
maybe
credit
I'll
card.
maybe I'll tell you if you have
Yeah.
it.
It's called